Tips, advice, news, and strategies from McDonald & McDonald Disability Attorneys.
The own occupation and any occupation definitions in a long-term disability policy are frequently misunderstood. Own occupation is typically defined in most insurance contracts. It's defined as your job as it appears in the national economy. So if your particular job has a feature in it that perhaps most other, let's use real estate brokers for example. If you're a real estate broker but you have a 50-pound lift every week, then you're not going to be like every other real estate broker. So occupation represents how real estate brokers do their job across the United States. The own occupation premise is supported by a few pieces of information. One is the Dictionary of Occupational Titles, which is really not a very good piece of data because it's too old and hasn't been updated in a comprehensive way. The other way to look at the own occupation scenario is to consult something called ONET, or the Occupational Network Online. This gives you a better feature of what the job or what the occupation is typically consisting of. Any occupation is a different standard, and most of the time insurance policies in long-term disability talk about the idea of any occupation, and what that can mean is particular to the insurance contract. Any occupation typically means anything that you would be able to do by virtue of your education, training, and experience. So when you think of any occupation, think of all of the jobs in the national economy. And so when you're up against that standard, it's really, really important to prove that you are unable to do even the simplest levels of work, like sedentary work.